Hey everybody, this is Dave from Old Dominion Angler. I'm out here in the Dragon Run Swamp. It's a beautiful cypress swamp. We're going to try and find us a good place to fish. So let me break some brush here and see if we can't find a good spot. Check out this scenery though, it's amazing in here. I hiked in about maybe a mile and a half. Finally haven't seen a piece of trash or any trails or anything. So I think this is going to be a pretty good spot to try. Got the Dragon Run right behind me. So let's get fishing. Alright, first cast, right here in the Dragon Run. Let's see what we catch. Fish on. Look at that. What a beauty. Check that guy out. So that first bait was salted clam. I use that a lot in saltwater fishing, but these fish are digging it. So I'm going to try a little piece of hot dog here next. Fish on. Oh, they're beautiful sunfish. The colors on these guys. Let's head on down to a different spot. Alright, we got a new spot. Let's give it a try. Look at that, guys. Check it out. Chain pickerel. A pickerel. Isn't that pretty? Alright, this guy's had a hard day. Check him out though. Let's get him back. Alright guys, we're going to get some more of these sunfish. Here we go. Watch this, we're going to catch fish. Another. This place is so beautiful. I'm just gonna keep fishing. You guys watch me catch one more fish, and then I'm gonna hike around a little bit, see if we can't find something else. There's a fish. That one's got a little sass. Red breast. Beautiful. Okay everybody, time for me to head back. Thanks for coming out with me today. Had a great time catching lots of sunfish. Caught one nice chain pickerel. This place is gorgeous. I can't wait to come back. I hope if you're in Virginia in this area, you get a chance to come to the Dragon Run because it is amazing. So, see you next time.